Sierra.
He is. Jacob, what's been going on here?
Crazy madness.
Crazy.
We've been digging things.
Yeah.
Living like gypsies. Pretty stuck, and we got the thing moving. And as you can see, coming in hot behind me.
It's coming in hot.
Coming in hot.
Coming in hot.
Hot. Hot.
Look at how squirrely he's getting.
Yeah, he's all over the place.
Go, go, go!
Keep it moving.
Is the bike in the back?
No.
No.
So how are we going
Yeah, keep going.
Right here, pick someone up. Go back.
Whoa, keep going. He's moving. That thing is wiggling.
Oh my God. If that ain't a commercial, I don't know what is.
Yeah.
Built Ford tough.
Woo! I feel like I'm at an off-road race. Woo!
Woohoo!
Just have to keep it going the entire way.
Yeah.
Going over sand dunes and all sorts of shit.
We saw you all squirrely.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh.
There was no way we could turn around either. We kept on getting stuck over and over.
Yeah.
That was a bitch.
Yeah. Whew.